everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation as well as the matching concealer. I'm a little worried that this is going to be too light for my skin, but I'm just going to go with it and see what happens. Because I've been using the Revolution Pro Foundation drops, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a comparison to tell you what one I think is better value for money and what one is best for my skin. As you'll probably know, I'm not a makeup professional. I'm just a regular person who likes to wear makeup sometimes, so I'm not here trying to give you any makeup tips, I'm just here to give you my opinion. So with that being said, let's get into the review.
6 hours later.
So this is me back and I've been wearing this for around 6 hours, and I have to say I'm actually shocked at how good this is. I don't normally wear a full coverage foundation because I don't feel like I really need it, so I thought it was going to feel really heavy on my skin, but it actually feels really soft and it's lasted all day. In the past, I was already using this concealer, but I had to renew it because the colour was too dark for my skin. Because I'm the shade in the actual corpse now, I had to get it in a much lighter shade. One of the things that I really like about this is the applicator, and it's even better because the foundation actually comes with the exact same applicator, and it's just like a big giant concealer. The foundation that I had been using before was the Revolution Pro Foundation Drops, which as the name suggests is actually a dropper. And when I first bought this, I bought it with the Revolution Foundation brush, and it's just got a little hole in it, so you drip the foundation in and then swirl it around. Now I really liked this at first, but I started to find that it seemed to be soaking up quite a lot of the product. And I really liked this foundation, but the problem with this was when I got it I had a bit more of a tan, and now I'm really white, so when I was using this obviously it was too dark for my skin. Other than that, I really like this product, but I must say that I prefer using this one because of the applicator. The Revolution Pro Foundation Drops contains 18ml and it's £7, and the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation contains 23ml and it's £9. Personally, I really like both of these foundations, but if you're someone who really does like to apply your foundation with one of these brushes, then I would definitely go for this one. But my personal preference would be this one, because as I said, even though this is full coverage, it really feels light on the skin and it isn't drying or anything. And at first I was worried that this was going to be too light, but I really think that it blended in really well. And I know that this doesn't count for the actual performance of the makeup, but I love the fact that the concealer and the foundation match exactly, and it's just a big one and a mini one. And I was really surprised when I opened this up and the applicator was exactly the same as the concealer. And I know that some people might not bother with something like that, but I was absolutely loving it. So I actually purchased both of these in Superdrug yesterday, and as I say, the foundation was £9 and the concealer was £4. If you spent £12 or more in Superdrug, you received a free Revolution palette and you had a choice of 3. I chose this one, and this is the one that I have on for my eye look just now. If you would like to see a review for this, I'll leave the link in the description box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye!